Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make Word document in mobile. To learn how to create Word documents right on your mobile device, whether you are using iOS or Android, just follow the step-by-step guide. The first thing you will need is a reliable app for creating Word documents. Microsoft 365 Office is the best app and it's available on both the App Store and Google Play Store. Download and install the app if you haven't already. Once the app is installed, open it up. On the bottom right, tap on the Create button and then select Word document from the options. So tap on Word. Here you have several options to create Word document. You can either scan text, dictate through your voice, create a blank document or create from template. For this tutorial we are going to create a blank Word document. So tap on blank document. You can start typing by tapping anywhere on the blank document. You can change text color, font size and other formatting by clicking on this option. So select the text. To change the font size, click on this small arrow and select font size here. To add an image in your Word document, again tap on this small arrow and then click on Home and then tap on Insert and select Pictures from the menu. And simply select your images either from the Photos folder or through the camera. To save the newly created Word document, click on the three dots at the top and then click on Save As. Choose file name and location where you want to save this new Word document and click on Save. And there you have it. Creating Word documents on your mobile device is quick and easy. Don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel.